from the video.
Hi guys! Good morning! It's Thursday today, July ano ngayon? July ano ngayon, Dad? Daddy, July ano ngayon? July 10 and holiday ngayon, so magagala kami. We are going to Wahin. Where are we going, baby? Wahin Beach. So ano na ngayon? It's 9:16, so mga 4 hours pa yung drive. Okay. Update namin kayo pag may nag-stop tayo or something else. Mag-stop over muna kami, bibili kami ng kape.
Coffee?
Yes, we're buying coffee. Ito, dito kami sa, ang daming sasakyan kasi holiday. Napakaraming sasakyan, guys. Wala nang maparadahan. Sige, unahan tayo sa paradahan, be. Bili kami ng coffee. Tayo, guys, coffee. Dito na lang 7-Eleven para mag-please. Ito yung hi, Daddy. Guys, napakaraming car. So talagang madalian lang dito, guys. So ito lang yung binili ko kay Daddy at saka kay Matt. Kasi hindi naman ako thirsty or ano. Yun na, guys, nakabili na ako. Nagmamadali, grabe yung daming tao, guys. Holiday kasi. Sobrang daming tao, iba-ibang lahi pa. Malapit na kayo mag-exit sa expressway. So tuloy-tuloy na to, guys. Mga 3 or 2 hours, babe?
3
mga 3 hours pa. So, see you there, guys!
3, 2, 1!
Parang isang sa awit na aking isinulat
Oh my
kagabi.
God.
Sana dahil kahit na wala akong pera, kahit na butas sa aking bulsa, at kahit pa maong ko'y kupas na, at kahit na marami diyang iba, ganito lang ako, simpleng tao, pagbaga. Go, ang traffic sa Bangkok, guys. Grabe, pagdadaan ka talaga ng Bangkok, grabe ang traffic. Anyways, oh, na-burp pa. Anyways, let's go. Guys, stop over kami ng gasoline station. Isang oras pa. Grabe talaga yung traffic sa Bangkok. So, dito na lang kami sa gasoline station kakain kasi alas 12 na, 12:30 na. And baka wala na tong isa, yung aming bossing, yung bata. So, punta na kami ng kainan. So guys, we're looking for a place to eat kasi syempre gasoline station nga to. Limited lang yung kainan. So yung normal na kainan ba. And ito may nakita kami restaurant. So to check namin kung okay siya. Pag hindi talaga, babalik na lang kami dun sa kanina. Kami kumain, guys. So nga si Dad. Kumuha ka din ng kanin sa kanya. The drawing ni Matman. Show them your drawing. Don't play with the eyes. Show them your drawing. What are you drawing?
Drawing tomato.
Tomato. Tomato yan?
Tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato. Tomato.
Finally arrived after 6 long hours. Be in the hotel. Say hi.
Hi.
Ay, si Daddy, nag-check in. Meron din sila dito para kunin.
What's that, Jesus?
Check for room first, I'm not sure. In the room we set a full water.
At the hotel, sa pagpasok nyo, ganyan. May mirror, wardrobe, toilet, and bath with a tub. Oh, it's clean. Then we have these, the complimentary drinks and the TV. Ipa-welcome pa sila dito. Dear Condino, welcome to Kasetwahin. We are delightful to have you with us. Nuts. So nice. Vault and then there. Swim, dive. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. More.
What's that?
This is water. Come on. One more. Swim to mommy. Marunong din. Kumain guys, halakad tayo. Ito yung parang maliit na market nila. So, yung limited yung mga shirt. And then these are the tops. Ito yung market. Hulu. Halay ka? So guys, bumili ako ng tanghulu. You know what guys, 60 baht to isang piraso lang. It's so pricey here. Sa Sriracha, bumibili ako 100, tatlo na siya, tatlong stick. Kamusta naman experience that?
Okay na. Masarap yung somtam nila.
Masarap yung somtam. Pero dito, medyo pricey siya. Tapos guys, maliit lang tong market. Hindi namin na-visit yung Sikada kasi close yung Sikada. Sikada market is just next to this one. But it's close. So dito kami sa Tamarind Market. And it's a bit pricey. Na-shock talaga ako nung sinabi niyang 60 baht to. Isang, di ba babe, sa Sriracha, tatlo, 100 baht. Pero tigta-tatlo lang din yung strawberry. Ito, 4. But still.
Laki pa rin.
Yeah. Laki pa rin ang difference, guys. So, balik na kami sa... Saan tayo punta, babe? Hotel na tayo? O gala pa tayo isa? Sige, maghanap pa kami ng gagalaan na isa. So, let's try this expensive tanghulu. Expensive talaga. Okay naman.
Daddy, I'm praying.
Praying what?
I'm praying.
Praying banana. Okay,
The strawberry is not that bad.
It's princess so.
Pero,
Yan.
it's the same lang nung nasa Sriracha. So, 1227. Punta kami ng Wahin Tourist Landmark, ganyan-ganyan.
Daddy,
Guys, I have this weird feeling na parang ayaw kayong pag-alay dito sa Wahin. So, kanina pa kami, pang 3 beses na namin tong ikot. Wala kaming maparkan. Gusto namin pumunta dun sa Wahin Night Market. Kanina, dun sa Wahin Tourist Attraction dun sa Landmark. Wala din kayong maparkan. So, nag-give up kami. So, dumiretso kami dito sa market. And here, we don't want to give up. So, we're trying. And this is the 3rd time. Look at the amount of people, guys. Diga. Napakaraming tao. So, I don't know kung may mapaparkangan pa kami.
Dark.
Dito, dito.
If there's bacon. I know. It's daanan. Kasya ba ta?
Kasya, hindi
I
lang.
think.
Tapos pula.
Oh, yeah. We can't. See, guys.
Dito.
See, guys. Wala yung talaga pag-asa ba? Wala talaga, guys. Uwi na lang kami. Mag-hotel na lang kami. Yeah, babe. I think we have to give up. Mag-ano na ako. Nag-change ko na yung map namin into the hotel. We reached a conclusion, no? We're just going home, okay?
Okay.
Because
Walang parking.
wala kaming maparkingan, guys. Bakit ganun?
Let's go to the
Parang ayaw talaga ng ahin sa amin.
Let's go to the hotel.
We'll see tomorrow. Wag muna tayo
Hotel.
mag-ipap.
Let's go hotel, okay?
Okay, we're gonna go to hotel, okay?
Hotel is like a home?
Yeah, hotel is like a home. Okay, we're gonna go to hotel. Mag-stop by muna kami ng 7-Eleven or Lotus to buy milk for Matmat, and then we're gonna go to hotel.
Mommy?
So, we're headed back to hotel na nga, guys. Kasi talaga naman
Back to the
hindi
back to
successful yung
the
ating lakad ngayong
back
hapon,
to
no?
the back to the
So, ito din yung ating
back to the
hotel.
wait, right? Right?
Okay, press up, ano? Press up.
Dali, press.
Let Matmat press.
Up.
Good job.
Not
Oh, no, not that one. Press up and then number 4.
Number 4, okay? Yeah. Number 4. Press number 4.
please.
Number 4. Yeah.
Good job.
Close.
Press mo.
Yay!
Let him lang.
No. Where's our room?
Here.
No.
Paano di siya mag-open?
Here.
No. Number 3, 4, 1, 2.
3, 4, 1, 2.
Look. 3,
No.
4, 1, 2.
Look for the number.
3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2.
Look at the numbers. Look at the numbers in the room. This is 3, 4, 1, 0. 3, 4, 1, 2. Where's 3, 4, 1, 2?
3, 4, 1, 2.
This one, what number is this? Dali need you to open.
Open.
You tap the card.
No.
Good job.
Open.
Then open.
Open na.
Tap only now. Tap only, tap. We're home, guys. And today is a busy day. Pero wala kami napuntahan. It's all traffic. I mean, may napuntahan kami pero hindi siya what we're expecting. Yun lang. So I think we will conclude our day 1 here in Wahin.